All right, on tonight's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our generative AI course, and we're still putting the final touches on our front end portion of our medical chatbot. So let's have a look at what we went over tonight. So basically, we added a few more features to our front end. So let's just pick up where we left off last night. Was the if name equals main. This is how we're going to run our flash. That's where we left off last night, and tonight we're just going to pick up with some reading. So next we will be working in the chat.html file. That file right here. It can be located over here also under templates. See the chat.html. Now the first thing we will do is find some example HTML code documentation that we can copy and paste, unless we want to write it ourselves to use as our test code. This is the code we will be using. I went and found the exact same test code that he was using, just so we can stay on the same page and you know, I don't have any excuses for any hiccups. So if anything goes wrong, I know it's probably with the code and not with the documentation, because I got the same exact one just to be on the safe side. So yeah, now we can run our app.py. When the code is configured the way it should be, we will see a portal number for our local chat, and we will be able to view our HTML page. So we're going to get our project is going to get hosted on a portal, and we'll see the number. If everything runs properly after we configure everything, we should see a portal number that we can actually type into our browser and visit our project page. But yeah, we're going to host and a port number, like I just explained. But there's a way to specify which port number we want to use. We can do that with this code below. So if you want to specify exactly what port we want our project to run on, we can use this code here. If name equals main, app.run host equals 0000, port number, or not even port number, just port equals 8080, debug equals true. Now when everything is configured properly, we have just specified to our code to host on a port number 8080. So that's what happens. I saw the instructor do it, so I see what it looks like. So when everything runs the way it should run, we should also see it run properly and see that port number saying 8080. But basically, that's all we did tonight is add more to our front end. I can show you here. We open up the chat.html file and put all the code that we're going to be using over here. Not all of it so far, but everything that we're using so far and everything that we have in our notes so far. So that's basically it. So yeah, I think we're almost done with the front end, basically wrapping it up, but we'll see how it goes. Of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.